Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Scarlet from your PC. So what you want to do first is you want to go to this usescarlet.com. Okay, so once you're on this page, you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down to right here that says install. So you want to click on install. So once you click on install, you want to click on computer, no revokes. Alright, so we wait for the countdown. Alright, so right here you want to scroll down to here that says setup. So right on this setup on your Windows PC, you want to make sure you install this iTunes and install iCloud. Okay, so for Mac, no requirement, is already there. So once you install your iTunes and iCloud, you want to open your iTunes. Okay, so once you open your iTunes, you want to log in with your Apple ID. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my Apple ID. Alright, so once you've logged into your iTunes, now we need to authorize the account. Okay, so you want to click on account right here and click on authorization, and then you click on authorize this computer. So then you enter your password. Alright, so you have authorized one computer out of 5 available. Then you click OK. So after doing that, you want to go back to the GitHub page. You want to install iCloud. So you just click on it and it's going to download. Okay, so now that we've downloaded this, we're going to open it up and then install. Okay, so you want to open it. Alright, so once it's done, then you click on finish. So you're gonna have to restart your PC for it to work. Okay. Alright, so once you restart your PC, you want to sign in to your iCloud. Alright, so once it loads up like this, you want to click on apply. Okay, now nice. So now we'll go back to the GitHub page. So you want to click on releases. Okay, then you scroll down. So right here under assets, you want to click on it. All right, then you look for this file right here, Windows .exe.exe. Okay, so you click on it and you install. All right, so once the file has been installed on your has been downloaded, you want to open it. All right, so once you find the file, you want to right click and you want to run as administrator. All right, so you allow access. Okay, so once you get to this stage, you want to connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer. All right, so once you connect it to the computer, then you click on select the device. Scarlet will detect your device. Okay, so as you can see, Scarlet app has been installed. All right, now you want to go to settings. All right, you want to go to general, then you want to go to VPN. Okay, now you want to click on VPN and click on trust. All right, you want to scroll down to privacy and security. Then you want to toggle on developer mode, restart your phone, and everything should be done. So if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.